Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by getting Speechify running and ready. Install the app or extension, sign in, and immediately paste or upload the text you want a voice. Choose a voice and language so you hear the character before tweaking anything. Once done, set speaking speed and pitch to a baseline. This affects naturalness and length. Make sure to test a short 20-30 second excerpt. Hearing that sample saves time and points you to the next adjustments. Now you refine how the voice delivers your content so it sounds human. Use punctuation and line breaks to create natural pauses. Speechify respects commas and ellipses, so add them intentionally. Then tweak speed and pitch in small 5–10% steps and preview after each adjustment so you don't overshoot. If you need narration synced to visuals, upload the file and enable highlighting or use clipboard mode to jump between sections. Once the cadence feels right, save a preset to reuse later. Finish by exporting the audio and integrating it with your project. Choose MP3 or WAV and a 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz sample rate depending on your editor. Export with normalization off if you plan to mix. Then import to your video timeline, align the waveform to cuts, and trim any lead-in silence. If something goes wrong, try changing the voice or reducing speed, clear the app cache, and re-render a short clip. Make sure to save a final preset so you can repeat the same sound next time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.